You ever feel like you're being held back? That's because you are.
The browser you're currently using is loaded with trackers, cookies, and other data collection parasites that are constantly following you side to side as you browse. These drain your battery, slow down your loading speeds, and they cost you extra money in data charges. That's right, you're paying extra and draining your battery just to slow yourself down with invasive ads and trackers. But there's a solution. Introducing Brave Browser. It's up to 8 times faster than the browser you're currently using. You also gain over an extra hour of battery life, and your data plan goes twice as far when you browse with Brave. Brave shows you all the time you save by showing in real time all the ads and trackers blocked, so you can consistently see how Brave is optimizing your browsing experience. So, you want to load content, sites, and games faster, pay less for data, and you want a longer battery life for your device? Download Brave today. It's completely free, there's no trial period, no catch, and you don't need any plugins. You can listen to me, or you can listen to USA Today, CNET, CoinDesk, The Verge, or Forbes. So join the 8 million users who speed through the internet worry-free. Download Brave now, and in less than 60 seconds, you can import all your current browser's settings, extensions, and bookmarks. Yesterday was about big tech. Today's about us.